Good morning. I have sit and procrastinated too long. I got stuff to do today. It's Sunday, February the 27th, and I have sit and procrastinated so long this morning. I need to just get up. I got a lot of stuff to do. I got to finish that Backsplash, and I have to go to Home Depot. I need to clean, and then I have a lash appointment at 4 o'clock. So all of this needs to be done before 4 o'clock. So I gotta get busy. So I've had my coffee and I have had an omelet for breakfast. You know the trash is still sitting out from Thursday night. Trash didn't run because of the weather on Wednesday. But so according to the website, they were supposed to come Friday or yesterday to empty it, and everybody's trash is still sitting out. I'm gonna leave it out there because they need to come get this trash. Last time we had to wait 2 weeks. So just to finish the project today, I just got on some sweatpants and my shirt, just trying to stay comfortable. But yeah, I'm sitting here in my office. I need to clean up everything. Done. It's not the greatest job in the world, but guess what? It's done. And now that's drying, and all that's left is to put my towel on. The final thing hasn't been done yet, but it's coming. It's around the corner soon. I'll probably try to work on it this week. Hi guys, I am back with another week's video blog, and right now I am at my eyelash appointment, which is very, very much needed. It's about 3:48, and I'm going to get my lashes done, and I will see you guys when I'm done. Yes, I'll have to get it out. Oh man. That went by so fast. I even got some sleep. I got this sleeping mask because it does look like a bra. It does. It looks just like a bra. It kind of protects your lashes, because I find that I lose more lashes when I'm sleeping. But it's so cute. Hello guys. I am ready for bed. I usually wear my bonnet, but tonight I'm wearing my tie because I washed my hair. I washed my hair today in the shower, that thin bald spot almost, but it feels so good. And I didn't lose much hair in the shower because when I take care of my hair, like in a, maybe already braided or already in, you know, more of a straight pattern, when I wash it, it doesn't tangle up as fast. So in the shower, I shampoo it and then brush it out, and then detangle it, and then I condition it real good, and then I put a rubber band on my head with the conditioner in it, and then I rinse the conditioner out. That way it won't pull and tug on my hair when I'm detangling. So I only lost a little bit, I guess, more than the normal person, but a lot less for me this time. So I guess I'll probably be straightening it again, or I, you know, been wearing it in that one ponytail down at first and whatever, but I may go back to wearing a wig my wigs. So much easier. But I find that the stocking cap under the wig, which is supposed to protect it from the wig itself from, you know, pulling on my hair, because it's so sensitive and it, you know. But anyway, I find that irritates my edges, you know, the stocking cap itself. I guess by it kind of constantly, you know, causing friction to that area. And by the end of the day, all of this is real irritated. And then the combs where I have pulled in is all sore, you know. It's just, sometimes I feel like I wish there was something else I could wear under there to keep the friction, you know. So it's no different than wearing the wig without the stocking. Anyway, I'm sleepy, as you can probably tell. It's past my bedtime, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys. Good morning. Today is a Monday, and yes, I am not at work today because my boo thing, my little boo-boo, she doesn't feel so good. She has been running a little fever, but today she's doing well. I just wanted to keep her out one more day, so to make sure she's okay. And she's okay. I love my sweet boo-boo. But anyway, guys, I think I did show you. I did show you my finished pre-drywall situation. And it is now dry. So today, Harley and I, since she's out of school and I'm off from work, I'm going to run to the tile store. It's probably going to be cheaper for me to buy, hate to even say that, a small towel, a towel, versus renting one, because as many days that I'm probably gonna keep that thing, it'll probably be the price of buying one. You never know what other kind of future projects that I may, you know, dabble in, but I doubt that. But you know, I am just not like all nifty like I used to be. I used to do my tile work. I did my floors in my first house. I did my backsplash. I did flooring all in the kitchen, the whole kitchen, dining room area, all the way into the powder room and like the back hallway coming out the garage. I did that. I did the kids' bathroom, or the bathroom upstairs, their bathroom, and I did the shower. I took out the bathtub and made it a stand-up shower, and I did that. Oh my God, I did all that tile work, and I did my bathroom, my master bathroom. I did the floors. And I had one of those, garden tubs. I did the surround and the shower. I tore all that out and did it all by myself. I used to love that, but now it's like this little old bitty stuff right here. It is a challenge. So, I am going to, you never know, I might get, you know, that itch and take a hammer to something and not be successful like I did this. But anyway, yeah, I think the tile saw is maybe just a little bit under $100, and I know if I rent one from the Home Depot, it's probably going to cost me more than that to rent it for several days. So, and plus I can take my time and not worry about I need to get it back before it run into, you know, a whole nother set of days. Ooh. So this is some of the things that I got to update the kiddos' bathroom. So I took that big bright picture bag, and I thought this was more softer and appropriate with the colors. And it is like for the bathroom. So I got this at home. And this was 79 bucks, $79.99. A little pricey, but I thought it was gorgeous. So here I found some shower curtains that has the same, you know, seashell type appearance. I had these curtains because this is just a liner. I needed some curtains. So I thought I was gonna do that, but that's a little too bold. So I have some softer curtains. It's coming pretty much the same color, that rug from Target. And of course you can see, I told you about those. I can't wait to see it come together. It's gonna be pretty. So what I decided, those are regular curtains. They're like 96 inches. I decided to put it in their TV room and hang it there. So that is just really unsafe because I took the TV, it's so heavy, slid it down onto those chairs, me by myself, and that's as low as I can get it. I'm going to put it maybe back on this cabinet, but I doubt it. What I want to do is hang it on that wall. So I think today I'm going to go get a bracket that will hold this TV. It is a flat screen, but it's an older flat screen, and it is super, super, super heavy. So this cabinet is the Kallax cabinet. I have it turned up on its side, but I'm not going to really show you any footage of me working on this cabinet. I will put down in the information bar what I'm doing or my finished product of this cabinet, and then you can go to her link and look at how to. So anyway, because it's too much. So anyway, that is some of the project I'm gonna do today. So right now, toys everywhere. I'm gonna lay out a tarp here, lay that down. I've already wiped it down, and I'm going to start to prime and paint this thing. So, all right. Okay, guys, I am step 1 in reviving this Kallax unit. So it's dry. The color I have on here, I know my light is yellowed out, and I'll give you a better picture when I'm done. But right now this is, let's see if this will help. Kind of, sort of. Right now, this is step 1 in my Kallax unit. So the color is called Almond Wisp. Almond Wisp. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Another Saturday has gone by, and I haven't got much done. I'm really extra tired this week. During the week, I didn't do much, but I do, let me turn this down. I do have the house to myself for a while, and I am on call again. So let me turn this mess around and show you how bad a week it's been. So kitchen is still just like I left it. Backsplash still the same. The countertop, everything is just freaking getting on my nerves. Stuff on the stairs. Stuff still in the corner over there. I did get up and I made up my bed and picked up all the clothes in my room. So right now I'm just gonna start downstairs. I need to just get busy. That's all it is to it. I look terrible because my allergies are on 100 this morning, but